वास्को दत्तवाडीच्या ऋषी मंडळाची अखिल गोंय भजन सर्त हालींच जाली। अश्यो सर्ती तरणाट्यांक भजनी कला शिकपा खातीर उर्बा दितात। बायलांय भजनी सर्तींनी वांटेकार जातात हें पळोवन आपल्याक खोस जाता म्हणपाचें सर्तीक मुखेल सोयरे म्हूण आयिल्ले सभापती राजेंद्र आल्लेकारान उलोवन दाखयलें।
केवळ टिकवून दवरतात अशें न्ही, तर आमी तें वाडोवन करतात। आनी नाना शिरगांवकर किंवा मनोहरभाऊ शिरगांवकर हांच्यांनी आमकां गोंयकारांक ज्या पद्दतीची भजनी परंपरा दिल्ली आसा ती इतली समृद्ध केल्ली आसा की जशें म्हाज्या मित्र दाजी साळकर हांणी अपेक्षा केल्ली आसा की भुरग्यांनीय हातूंत येवचें। म्हाका दिसता ही प्रक्रिया आतां स्वाभावीकपणान जायत रावतली। आज आमच्यो भयणी ह्या स्पर्धेन भितर उतरलेल्यो आसात, गावपाक लागिल्ल्यो आसात, ही तर आनीकय आनंदाची गजाल आसा। आनी म्हणून हे जे आमचें संगीत आसा, भारतीय संगीत जें आसा तें संगीत टिकोवन दवरपाचें काम ह्या अशा पद्दतीच्या स्पर्धेंतल्या अशा पद्दतीच्या कार्यक्रमांतल्यान जाता।
2013 जावपा आशिल्ल्या लोसोफोनिया गेम्सा खातीर गोंयच्यो मुळाव्यो सुविधा जाग्यार पडटल्यो म्हणपाचो विश्वास उत्तर गोंयचो भाजपा खासदार श्रीपाद नायकान उक्तायला। गोंय ऑलिंपीक असोसिएशनाचो अध्यक्ष म्हूण सोमारा रातीं श्रीपादान भार घेतलो। सुभाष शिरोडकारान अध्यक्षपदाचो राजिनामो दिल्ल्यान संघटनेची सुत्रां श्रीपादा कडेन आयल्यात।
It is not difficult. Difficult काय ना? ना कारण पहिले आमच्या सरकाराला एक 15 दीस जाऊन आणि अनाउन्स केलं ऑलरेडी 65 for this infrastructure. And so last so many years, I'm not blaming anybody, but last so many years, something should be out. But he's keen. Just we'll take this game and finish all this infrastructure project before time.
Now, why सरकाराने कितने grant दिले?
65 crores, yeah, for taekwondo and national games. The infrastructure will be the same. So,
on behalf of all of us, I would request our new president to felicitate with a lot of affection and love.
No, Baba.
Going as the after a long time.
No.
Much of work.
You see, I would say a strong believer that nothing is permanent. Nothing is permanent. So, whatever time and opportunity you get, you should always try to do it yourself for the cause. I had plenty good, almost 8 to I think 9 years, where I had to contribute my strength. Genuinely and judiciously, I always tried that I would work for the betterment of the sports. It's a public.
So close to Lusofonia games and national games, taking such a call.
No, but still I will participate in that. Not necessarily that I have to be president. You see, I am never carried by the glamours of positions.
Has the change in power of the government prompted you to take this decision?
No, I think for a better functioning and better coordination between the government and the body, I thought that okay, I will not be in a position. Sometimes may not be in a position to
Since your party has not
the
come to power, maybe because of that.
This is one of the reasons.
ऑल इंडिया रायन इंटरनॅशनल फुटबॉल सर्त सोमारा फातोड्ड्यान नेहरू स्टेडियमाचेर सुरू जाली। वेगवेगळ्या पिरायेच्या गटांत ह्यो सर्ती चलतात। रायन इंटरनॅशनल ग्रुप ऑफ इन्स्टिट्यूशन्सान ही सर्त दवरल्या। खेळ हो रायन ग्रुपाचो म्हत्वाचो भाग अशें रायन इंटरनॅशनल्साचो चीफ ऑपरेशन्स अधिकारी नेती श्रीनिवासन म्हणटा। भारताच्या 16 राज्यांनी रायन ग्रुपाच्यो शाळा चलतात आनी थंयचे पंगड ह्या सर्तींत खेळटात।
Group of institutions is a 35-year-old group started by the visionary educator Dr. Augustine Francis Pinto in a very small room. It has now grown to a level of more than 120 schools across 16 states in India. One of the 12 values under which the school operates is that of sports. And today's event that we see out here, which is the first All India Football Tournament 2012, is part of fulfilling that vision of Dr. Francis Pinto's. We chose Goa, given that Goa has a very strong affinity to football, and the facilities out here and the support that we receive from the authorities compelled us to have this first momentous football tournament in Goa. And we're really happy to be here. I mean, the tournament has just got off to a flying start, and we're looking forward to a wonderful set of matches out here. At this point of time, we don't have a formal presence in Goa. We would like to have a school in Goa very soon so that we can serve the people out here and bring the high quality of education and extracurricular activities that we have across the country to the people of Goa.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकले आसत जाल्यार आमचे www.prudentmedia.in ह्या वेबसायटीचेर पळोवंक मेळटल्यो. घडटात तश्यो बातम्यो जाय जाल्यार तुमी आमचो ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा फॉलो करा. www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेरय तुमकां आमच्यो बातम्यो वाचूंक मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान खबरांची हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.